Welcome to today's edition of the OpEx Minute, presented by EMS Consulting Group. Today we will be talking about leveling the mix of work with smaller batch sizes. In a previous OpEx Minute, we talked about leveling the workload in general. Today we're talking about the concept of leveling the mix of work in addition to the overall volume. Most situations require a mix of products or services. Whether we are making standard products and we produce and sell a variety of these, or we are an engineer-to-order business and we sell custom work of varying complexity, or we're in a service business. In either case, leveling the mix is an important concept. What does it mean to level the mix of work, and why would we want to do this? The why is relatively simple. We are selling a certain mix of work. For example, 20% of our sales is product XYZ. Another 12% is product 123. Another 7% is ABC, and so on and so forth, right? Adding up to 100%. Ideally, we would want to produce this same ratio of product each day so that we need a minimal amount of inventory and we have a very short lead time. If we produce in large batches instead, we will be holding lots of inventory. A rule of thumb in lean manufacturing is to manufacture in daily batches, 1 day's worth of product, particularly for our top-selling products. We achieve this mix by developing flexible production systems with very short changeover times. What about custom manufacturing or even service situations? In these cases, we don't look at specific part number mix since there isn't one. Instead, we consider the mix of complexity. For example, high complexity jobs, medium complexity jobs, and low complexity jobs. If we're selling a mix of 40% low complexity, 40% medium, and 20% high, we would schedule our work accordingly so that we are working on this mix. This allows for an evenness in our output that will match customer demand. Now, there is much more to leveling the mix of work than we can cover in an OpEx Minute. If you have an interest in learning more about leveling the mix of work, visit our website at www.emsstrategies.com and contact us. We would be happy to help.